Don't fall for the myth that you can upload one video on TikTok, get a bunch of sales, and become a millionaire overnight. It is an exaggeration. However, also don't think that you can't succeed with TikTok Shop or TikTok affiliates, because I promise you, you can. You just need to know the right approach that's going to get you the results the quickest with the least time and effort and money spent as possible. So here's what I found works best to get you from beginner with little to no sales to recurring sales and thousands a month in profit. First, you need a hot in-demand product, right? You can't polish a turd, as they say, and you'll struggle to sell something that people don't want. On the contrary, you can have mediocre videos and sell a product people are dying for. The truth is, you definitely don't need a large audience to get started, but you do need a product that 1, people want, 2, is proven to sell already, 3, has viral potential, and 4, will stop short attention spans from scrolling because it either solves a specific problem, has a wow factor, or improves the lives or status of that person to some degree. So find a hot product and everything else becomes so much easier. And because I've done a bunch of videos on product research tutorials already, and I prefer to not waste time in this video telling you again how you can find these products easily, just check out the tutorial that I dropped at the bottom of the description if you need to know. And then use the rest of the formula in this video to get sales with the products that you find. And contrary to popular belief, you don't need to reinvent the wheel when you're starting out to get some level of success, and you don't even need any editing skills yourself. More on this shortly. If something is working for someone in your niche already, list that product or something very similar and even emulate their best videos and make them your own very similarly with your own spin on them. The path of least resistance is the easiest, especially for beginners. And the easiest way to get sales when you're starting out is to see what products are selling, how they're being sold, and then do that. That doesn't mean copy, of course, right? It just means use somebody else's formula that they've already solved in your own way. And to get sales, you'll obviously need to post videos, but you don't need to record them yourself, and you don't need to spend time editing them yourself, and you don't even need the product on hand in your possession to get high quality videos that convert. And really, when you're starting, it is so much easier if you don't try to do that. Of course, if you're a creative person or you prefer to do that approach, then by all means go that route. But for me, and I'm sure you, assuming your goal is to use TikTok Shop or TikTok affiliates to make money, then the goal should be, at least in the beginning, the path of least resistance, which is why I recommend the minimum viable product approach for most people, right? We want to spend the least amount of time, the least effort, and the least money possible to test products in the beginning so we can get through the no's and move on through those yeses. And if you're uploading one video a day because you're recording, editing, and doing everything yourself, you'll be a lot slower and you'll get lapped by somebody who doesn't need to do that and can upload 3 or even 5 videos a day. I used to do that myself too. Creating my own content was great in the beginning because it was free and I was kind of still working through the kinks. But ultimately, I struggled to get consistent sales because my videos just weren't that good and it took up so much of my time. I'm not the best editor and I didn't even have enough time to plan out different ideas every single day, not to mention I was competing against other videos with higher quality constantly. But all that changed when I started actually ordering professional videos and outsourcing it. It saved me so much time. Not only that, the video quality was always great, and each video that I uploaded now had viral potential. And my sales became more consistent because of it. I actually had good videos going up consistently every single day. Plus, it didn't cost me as much as I expected it to because I was able to outsource it to a service like vidx.io. They even let you test out the service completely free for the first time, so you can order a video of your product, see what they get back to you video wise, and then decide for yourself if you think that video would work or not. No other company, to my knowledge, offers a free video like that, which is basically their way of saying we are extremely confident that if you use us once, you will continue to, which I have. Using this site is so simple too, right? You can try vidx completely free through that first link in the description, and then when you sign up, you just have to send them the URL of your product when you order, and they'll send you back a video of that product in just a few days. So here are 2 videos that they sent me recently for that same water table pump that I've been talking about for a few of my other videos.
Tired of manually adding water to your kid's water table? Introducing the water table pump. It continuously supplies water, creating a fun waterfall effect and saving water. Easy to install with strong suction cups and no extra tools needed. Perfect for endless outdoor fun. Transform playtime today with the water table pump.
Tired of manually adding water to your kid's water table? Introducing the water table pump. It continuously supplies water, creating a fun waterfall effect and saving water. Easy to install with strong suction cups and no extra tools tools needed. Perfect for endless outdoor fun. Transform playtime today with the water table pump.
Not bad, right? Those look great. They put transitions in between the videos to maintain viewers' attention, and they even told a story the entire time, which helps sell the product. And the coolest part is I literally didn't do anything, right? I didn't give them any information. I literally just ordered and then sent them the URL of that product. They put the video edit together, they added a voiceover on top, they added transitions, they added captions, and they added the story and everything on their own. After all, they specialize in creating video ads for store owners, not necessarily creating TikTok shop or TikTok affiliate videos, but that is a massive distinction, right? Because they're not just sending you a compilation of B-roll footage here for your product, they are creating a video ad for you. And this has got to be one of the biggest hacks that I've come across for selling on TikTok shop and linking other people's products if you're an affiliate. You don't need to spend hours and hours creating content anymore just to get sales. You can use vidX and get high quality product videos for any product that you're selling delivered to you fast. And if you're using this approach consistently and you're doing your product research and making videos on products that are selling well on TikTok already, then getting sales is inevitable, right? It is not a matter of if, it is simply a matter of when. This isn't some random freelancer where the content that you get back is going to be hit or miss either, right? This is a professional company who specializes in getting more sales for e-com stores through video ads. It could not be easier, and there is literally zero risk. So if you're serious about getting sales on TikTok, you should take the path of least resistance in the beginning and figure out what works for you very fast. I'm sure if you're anything like me, you don't want sales a month from now, right? You want them this week, and with this blueprint, that is 100% possible. Hope it helps.